Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use MySubaru app. Alright, if you drive a Subaru and you want to know how to use the MySubaru app, I'm going to explain everything in simple terms using your phone. First, unlock your phone and open MySubaru app. Log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see vehicle on your home screen. Now tap and let's go through what you can do in the app. Tap remote start. Before starting the car, you can choose cabin temperature, heated seat if your car has them. Then tap start vehicle and confirm your car will start from your phone. On the home screen, tap unlock and lock. This lets you to lock or unlock your door from anywhere. Tap vehicle status. Here you can see fuel level or battery level, tire pressure, door and window status. Tap vehicle location. This shows where your car is parked, which helps if you forgot where you parked. Tap the maintenance. You will see service reminder, oil change alert, vehicle health update, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.